Appearance is a big part of meeting somebody. Me and my wife own a business. I would always try to keep my mouth closed. I wouldn't smile because I felt uncomfortable. I felt that I was going to be judged. I actually got tricked into meeting Dr. Salem through my wife. She had told me she had made an appointment for our son to come here, and I came with her. And then when I got here, she told me I had a dentist appointment.
So Thomas is a local entrepreneur who we've established a relationship with and wanted to help. His business was growing and he wanted to be able to smile with a little bit more dignity. He wanted to be able to feel comfortable when he was with his peers and his potential customers. And he came to us with a lot of anxiety, a lot of fear, and we were able to give him some oral sedation, relax him, provide exceptional care for him, and give him his smile back.
I was really apprehensive at first. And then for some reason, I just felt really comfortable when I met Dr. Salem.
We were able to relax him, provide the care that he needed in order to give him the implants so that he can function properly, preserve the rest of his teeth, and smile with dignity.
These implants in my mouth, I feel comfortable to smile. I have a nice smile now, and I'm able to greet people and interact without having any apprehension.
He was pretty happy. He was really thrilled that we could provide all the services under one roof. He really enjoyed the fact that we're a multi-specialty practice, so everything he needed from getting a cleaning to placing his implants as well as putting his final restorations on were done right here.
My life has turned around considerably as far as my appearance, and I am totally satisfied with everything that's ever been done by Pearl Dental in regards to my teeth.